The lateral support bolsters are also available as a pair, and these can be used behind the backrest pillows to provide that additional support. So especially when you use the tilt in space function, that really comes into play and provides the support to keep the user sitting upright. So we could use one up the top there. We could also provide one Velcro to the back lower down, put our pillows back over the top, and then when the chair tilts back, that's where the user will get the benefit of that additional support. We can also use these laterals if we have the pillows in the vertical position. So the pillows in this vertical position are great for supporting clients that may have a scoliosis or a kyphosis, or if we might need to provide offloading along the spine, someone who may be sensitive to pain or pressure. So in this instance, what we can do here is we can put the lateral behind to provide that additional support behind those two pillows.